Good to go. Thank you so much for checking, Katie. So in InVision, this was another shared thing that I do with another class, but this is essentially where we were when we did the toast thing. So we can prototype, we can do freehands, favorites. Freehands is where we were at when we did the toast thing, but we are going to prototype. So essentially we just press a little plus sign. We're going to go create a new prototype. I'm going to call this Kristen Portfolio Demo. We're doing it in desktop and we're going to create. So from XD or from Illustrator, wherever you created your wireframes, we export these suckers as JPEGs or PNGs. So I'm just going to do it from XD, export all artboards. I showed you guys how to do that before. You guys know how to do it from Illustrator. So now what I do is I've got, I've got all of my PNGs here that I've exported. So I'm just going to work with home and about just to show you guys for today. Actually, no, I'll show you both. And I'm going to drag in the ones that I need. So since I have everything on here, I'm just going to use this home desktop and I just drag that JPEG right in there and boom, there it is. So now, oopsies. So now I can go ahead and just get rid of all those little menus. Show you guys from here. So now we have, this is our preview mode. This is our build mode. So our preview mode is where we test, where like an XD would press play. And then this is the build mode. This is where we can post comments. So lots of times if you send this to a client, they can post their comments right in here. You guys don't need to worry about that at this stage of the game. Inspect mode, where you get your coding and all that, and history in case you've got other people looking at your file. Say I'm in there and I went in and changed, portfolio is essentially going to now link to something else. And someone takes my file over and they're like, what the hell, did I do that? You can actually see the history of that. Again, nothing you guys need to worry about at this stage of the game. So I'm going to go into build mode and literally you get this little plus sign here. Essentially works the same. A little bit easier in the sense, I hate to say easier, but you literally just go. So we're on our one page. So I'm going to drag a box over about, giving it a nice big area for you to click. Select a destination. So what we need to do is we're selecting, we're doing it right on our home screen. So we need to link it to another point on this screen. And then this little menu comes up and it says set anchor position. And now I'm going to, so it's about, I'm going to set that anchor to be right there. Now I'm going to click smooth scrolling transition and we're going to press save. Now I'm going to create portfolio. Again, select a destination. We're just on our home screen. So we're going to put it to another point. Smooth transition, set that anchor. Scrolling down, and there's that anchor. Press save. Sometimes I forget to save. These don't need to look perfect because again, you're just selecting the area where that little button link is going to come up. Select a destination, another point. Save, and last but not least, save. And nice to oops. There we go. Now we go into preview. About portfolio. So same thing. Now it's all ready to go. So no matter what platform you're using, we can create this. Let's go back into build mode because now we want to make sure that we freeze that header as we did previously. So we go fixed header, and then you get a little bar that comes up and it's going to just show you where you want that to go. So I'm going to put it right here. It tells you exactly how many pixels, which is actually quite nice as well. And now let's press play. And that's about it, folks.